Ingersoll Rand steel frame cylinder. Balls. Almost. It literally clicked and almost snapped. And it was massive. Drill is amazing, isn't it? I just literally got impressed. This gun, I was literally, where's my snap-on? There, right here. Okay, I got a witness over here. This long-handled ratchet, which is a fantastic ratchet, $230 snap-on ratchet. Trying to get the strut bolts out. Bending the ratchet, almost. It literally clicked and almost snapped. One trigger pull, nut came right off. Let's see what the other one does. Now, mind you, I almost broke my massive ratchet. Wow, that's freaking amazing. I'm impressed. I am impressed.